So I'm going to do a review on these two flashlights. This one is the Streamlight Micro Stream, and this is an off-brand. I don't know how to say that. Pastoral, I don't know, something like that. They're both LED flashlights, and so the one in this box is this one right here. So that's how that one looks. And the package here is this flashlight here. This is the Streamlight. This is the off-brand Hattori or something like that, some Chinese name. All right, the Micro Stream comes with this lanyard. Not sure who would use that, but anyway. It also comes with a battery. The Chinese one does not come with a battery. So obviously the packages are much different. That one's much nicer package. Blah blah blah. Comes with your lanyard and a battery. Okay. Now this one says 45 lumens, which is kind of strange. This one here, on the website it says it's 500 lumens. So that's a little strange, but anyhow. All right, so as you can see, they're pretty much the same size, thickness, length. This one here, the Streamlight, has the clip that you can put on your hat, so you can wear it on your hat, on the bill of your hat, so you can use it as a headlamp. This one is not. They both have the clips though, pocket clips. This one's a little deeper. This pocket clip's a little deeper. They both have the on-off switch here. As far as that goes, they're pretty similar. Like I said, so now the big difference here, well, first, let me just show you how they work. All right, let's go to the dark. This one here, that is the Streamlight. That's the Streamlight, okay? This one is the off-brand. Put them side by side. Okay. Shoot. All right. Side by side. Honestly, the off-brand, the Chinese one, is clearly brighter. Clearly brighter. They both have new batteries in them, and all right, the off-brand Hattori whatever is on the left side, and the Streamlight is right there on the right side. Okay. Now, I want to tell you what the difference is. They're both AAAs. All right. Now, this one here for $15.99. $15.99 for that one. This one, $7.99. $7.99. $15.99. This one's brighter than this one. So for what, an extra $7, they're giving you a battery and the hat clip, basically, and a lanyard that, you know, most people will never use. So personally, I do like the clip for the hat, but I mean, for $8, $8, $15, same size. This one's brighter. So there you have it. I bought them both on Amazon. Again, this one's $17. The Hattori 9cm LED flashlight, made in China. Plain packaging, no fancy schmancy. $7.99. Fancy schmancy packaging. Streamlight. It's supposed to be a good brand. But definitely not brighter. So I guess I would have to I don't know. I mean, I just got them, so I can't really tell you about the wear and tear and how good they are or whatever. But yeah, as far as brightness goes, and actually the switch on this, it's a little tough. This one, much easier. I don't know. I'm liking this. I'm liking this one. I really am, especially for the price. $7.99. Amazon.com.